welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the top stories. It's a sad story of stinking culvert. Our citizen journalist highlights negligence of CCP. Private bus transport paralyzed on Madgaon-Kankon route. Bus owner condemn attack on bus driver by a policeman. Kiran Bedi suggests committee of experts to look into the attack on tourist cases. Supports compulsory voting. Sargaukar Sports Club hope to sign Kareem Benzema as new coach. I-League strugglers to decide in the next few days, says Secretary R. Gomes. And Talasha Prabhu Kids Goa's flag flying in International Swimming Arena. Watch Talasha's first interview on TV after winning gold in Bangladesh. And now the news in detail. A culvert passing right in front of your house that carries not water but filth and stink. This is the story of a woman who has been forced to stay indoors due to the unbearable foul smell. Our citizen journalist Surekha Tarkar from Ribandar has the story.
Surekha Tarkar lives right beside the main road of Ribandar. She says for the past 10 months, sewage water left from the nearby houses flows through this culvert and stops right in front of her doorstep. She says the foul stench emanating from the wastewater has forced her to stay indoors. Despite several pleas to the CCP, nothing seems to have happened.
म्युनिसिपालिटीन फोडला गटार करपा खातीर ताजेर लादी घालूना आनी पूरी एप्रील म्हयन्यान हे सगळे फोडला बरे टायल्स घालतले म्हणून ताका लागून आमकां हांगा खूब त्रास जाता सगळी जिवाणां बी वयर येवंक लागली जिवाणी रावंक लागली आमी हे बुराक सगळे पुरण घेतले म्हाका लागून आनी आतां तांचो शेजाऱ्यांचो रेबो सगळो आमच्या दारान हाडून सोडलो 10 म्हयने जाले हो रेबो बिबो आमकां खूब त्रास जाता त्या खातीर हांवें मॅडमीक आपयली मॅडमीन येवन पळोवन गेली तिणें मनीस धाडले पूण ताणें रेबो बंद करूं ना त्या रेब्याक लागून आमी दुयेंत पडत हांव 8 दीस नाशिल्लें घरा आमी घर सोडून दुसरे कडेन रावूंक वतालीं घाणी खातीर ह्या रेब्यांसून आमकां भितर सरूंक जाय सदांच बी जळारां जनेलां उगडूंक मेळना आमकां दारा भायर बसूंक मेळना आनी हें कितें फक्त आमच्या दारान बाकीच्यांचे कडेन सगळें केलां गाडी थारोवंक मेळना सायकल थारोवंक मेळना आमी करप कशें कितले फावटी सांगले म्हणून केरेलीना पळोवन गेली तिने मनीस धाडले पण ते मनशांनी कांयच करूं ना काम.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Mahadev Joshi for Prudent Media.
Private bus transport was totally paralyzed on Madgaon-Kankon route on Wednesday. Bus owners and drivers condemned the attack on one of the bus drivers at Kunkare. A policeman had allegedly assaulted a driver on Tuesday.
Buses plying on Madgaon-Kankon route were off-road on Wednesday. Bus owners protested against an attack on a driver allegedly by a policeman. Commuters faced tremendous inconvenience. Bus owners, drivers, conductors have demanded an inquiry against the police official. The police don't allow any bus to halt at Kurchode market as it creates traffic congestion. The bus driver claims the police official slapped him as he stopped in the market.
कोण पवार म्हणटा तो त्या ड्रायव्हरा मारपा मागे हे गाडी हे असलेले चालू असलेले समज मागे समज गाडीचे हे समज हांवें गाडी समज सोडून दिल्ली जाल्यार कितें जाता आसलेले पॅसेंजर मोडटा आसले मरे आं चालू आसतना ड्रायव्हरा मारपा जाता गाडी चालू आसतना ड्रायव्हर मारपा जाता जेन्ना आमकां पुलिसान मारलो न्हू कित्या सागून ते आमकां खबर ना कित्या सागून ते आमकां कळपा जाय आमी त्या शिवाय पयशे आमी चालू करपा नाय तेजे कारवाई करपाकूच जाय म्हळ्यार करपाकूच जाय.
Additional Director of Transport Prakash Azevedo and other government officials reached the site. They had a discussion with the bus driver and owners.
ओनर सगळे घराकडे असतात ड्रायव्हर कंडक्टर
करू शकता आज कितें तुमगे मागणी कितें पुलीस त्या हिंगा हाड आनी तांकां विचार अशें तुमगे मागणी मरे आमी पळय कितें आसली पोलिसा कडेन मात डिस्कस करया मागीर
पुलिस म्हणल्यार कितें आतां पुलीस आसतना काल कितें जालो ना
बस स्टॉपच ना
After PI assured them action against the concerned constable, bus owners withdrew their strike.
A reporter from Kukule, Ramesh Naik Raut, for Prudent Media.
India's first women IPS officer Kiran Bedi is in Goa for Didi Kosambi Festival of Ideas. She urged to set up a committee to look into the rise in attacks on tourists. Bedi refreshed her memories in Goa when she was posted as SP of Traffic Cell. She also said that she supports compulsory voting but without any punitive action.
Kiran Bedi delivered a lecture on leadership. Does gender matters? She was questioned about the attack on tourists in Goa. She said that government should set up a committee to look thoroughly into the rising attacks.
I would have loved this to be studied. What is it that is repeatedly causing this problem, and how can it be prevented? And if detected, how can it be punished faster so that we don't earn a bad name around the world? Because Goa is one of the most beautiful part of the world. It is the most beautiful part of the world. So I would urge the Honorable Chief Minister and the Chief Secretary sitting here, if we haven't done a study, let's put a study together. What we can do is bring a cop here and there. You have a police officer here, intelligent police officers, 1 or 2, right? 1 or 2 of them. Bring in a university once, just have 3-4 members in a week's time or 2 weeks' time, get a study done. Find out what's wrong and let's start monitoring the strategies to be put in place and follow them up and then monitor them and continue to evaluate why has it happened.
Kiran Bedi also said that voting should be compulsory so that people participate in a democratic process.
I am for compulsory voting. I support the Gujarat initiative for compulsory voting without the punitive factor, because you will not be able to punish, but at least say it's compulsory. Now, without it being said, if you can't have that compulsory voting, then I have another short way to it, as my thinking goes. Is first of all, never link your election day nearer a weekend. Keep it somewhere Wednesday or Thursday, and don't declare it as a holiday.
She also spoke about some of her bitter experiences in Goa.
Mrs. Bedi, say sorry to my minister. I said, sir, sorry for what? He said, you have made my minister walk today. I said, but sir, walk? I think what went wrong, sir? He said, I don't care what the media reports. I want you to say sorry to my minister for having made him walk. I said, I'm sorry, I will not say sorry. I will not say sorry. He said, do you know, Fred, I'm not saying this for the first time. It's written in my book called I Dare. And the people's names are mentioned. I'm not mentioning them here, but the main names are mentioned there.
A reporter in Panji, Devidas Kamli, with video journalist Mahadev Joshi.
With this, we'll take a short break. Stay tuned.